Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to IT Snippets. Today I'm going to show you whether or not those cheap Windows 10 Pro keys or any other Microsoft keys for sale on eBay are worth the money. Let's find out if they're legit. The first thing we'll have to do is head over to eBay, www.ebay, and I'm in the UK, so it's .co.uk. Once we're in, we would obviously log in as normal. As you can see, I'm already logged in, and you can hear the spiky monster purring his heart out. And we would search for Windows, if you can spell it correctly, Windows 10 Pro key. Okay, so if any of you have tried to purchase Windows 10 Pro, you're talking like £60 for the upgrade, maybe 80-ish. It's not exactly a cheap product. However, if we head over eBay and, as you can see, enter that code, we're picking up some that are reasonably priced. £5, £6.88, appear to be for both 32-bit and 64-bit, and they appear to be in abundance. There's one for £2.99. Now, just like anything else in eBay, what you're looking for is someone who's sold a lot of products and has a decent rating. 3,636, chances of them not being legit, it's pretty slim. Moving a little bit further down, doesn't appear to have any ratings. Might be a little bit of a red flag. I'm not an eBay expert. Someone might want to, correct me on that, but as far as this is concerned right now, I'd be reluctant to drop to that level. I'd more be interested in someone, for example, like this. As you can see, we've got other things available for sale. Quite a few Windows 10 keys. They're all for Professional Edition. I also have some for Microsoft Office as well. Interesting. You can scroll down to the bottom and have a look at the feedback. All 5-star reviews, so it's probably worth taking the chance with him. However, for the purposes of this video, I'm actually going to go with someone that I know and have used before, and that is Key Supplier, I believe. Okay, and we'll go for Windows 10. I'll just click on a few of these and have a look. That's not, I was actually looking for the person Key Supplier, not some random. While I'm in here though, I might as well point out Hicks House is a review of 41, feedback score of 41. I'd be very reluctant to purchase from someone who has such a low rating. The person I used previously to purchase my Windows 10 Pro keys was someone called Keys Supplier. So I'll just paste in his URL here. You can see his details. He sold 1,435 items and has 99.9% positive feedback. So let's click on him and see what items he has for sale. Click on here. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows Vista, Vista, Windows 8, Office for Mac, Windows Vista, Windows 10 Enterprise. Now, Windows 10 Enterprise is more expensive, and the reason for that is the Enterprise Edition simply has a checkbox for turning off the spyware and telemetry. You don't get that in other versions. So because you don't get that in other versions, they're increasing the price of the Enterprise version for people who are security conscious. Windows 10 Home. There we go, Windows 10 Pro. And it's £5.50. Okay, so as you can see, it's from Key Suppliers. Like I said, I have used this person before. So I'm going to purchase one. I'm just going to click Buy It Now. Now what happens is he'll email me with the CD key, and I will then be able to log on and activate my Windows 10 Pro. So I'm going to pay it with PayPal, and then I'm going to click Confirm and Pay. And I can click on my View Order Details, and that's it. So let's wait and find out whether or not I receive my key and whether or not it's actually legit. Okay, so you probably just seen me go and purchase a CD key for Windows 10 Pro from eBay. I've now received my key. It's maybe 6 hours later, and it's time to go and try it. So What I'm going to do is I'm going to disappear from this corner, and we're going to open up Windows Activation, and we're going to see if we can activate Windows Pro with it. Let's check that out. Okay, so I have to click on my start bar, go to Settings. Inside Settings, go to Updates and Security, and then go to Activation. Click Change My Product Key, and enter the product key from my email. I'm just copying and pasting it in here. I will have to blur this out. Click Next. By activating Windows, you get the best experience, so activate. There you go, Windows is activated with digital license linked to your Microsoft account. If I click Close, you now have a fully activated version of Windows 10. So it's a bit interesting. While it is possible, like I just have, to get genuine Windows 10 keys, or Windows 10 Pro keys for that matter, from eBay, it's still risky. If you're bidding on something that's £4, £5, £6, whatever, then you need to be prepared that some of them are going to be scam artists and to have to fight and try and get your money back. However, in some cases, you're going to match that up against what it's actually worth to you. So if the license is £80 and you're willing to spend a tenner trying to get a cheap license, you've not really got anything to lose. I personally have now activated a copy of Windows 2012 Server Data Center Edition, which cost me 1/6 of the retail price, and I'm absolutely stoked with that. All I'm saying is be careful, look for people who are reputable, and also look for people who have a lot of good feedback and have had a lot of sales. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.